Nĩ igũtha inene kũrĩ Wamucii wa Kinyari o hamwe na mafans ake mũno mũno kũrĩ arĩa mamũfollowaga mwena wa Facebook. Her Facebook page has sadly been unpublished. Ũguo nĩ ta kuuga atĩ it has been disabled, the new Facebook page that she had been currently using after her first page was put under serious restrictions in a way that she could no longer use it. And now her current page has been disabled. And once Facebook unpublishes a page, that means it is no longer visible to the public. For your followers can no longer see what you post. Na mũndũ wothe ũraraikĩte page ĩyo na mũndũ wothe ũragũfollowaga ndangĩona kĩrĩa ũrapost. Only you, the admin, or rather the owner, can see what you post. Your followers can no longer see what you post, and therefore it is no longer of use. Even if she tries posting something on that page, no one else can see it. In short, nĩ ta kũhingwo rĩu ĩhingĩtwo. Na nĩ ũhoro wa kĩeha mũno tondũ Wamucii wa Kinyari says that this is her fourth page to be unpublished. Ndaramenya nĩ atĩa kũrathiĩ na mbere, something is just not right. Na gwĩgũkinya hau ndarona ta ĩgũtobora mwena wa Facebook, and now YouTube is her only last option. And she shared the news through her Facebook page akiuga, Facebook has unpublished my new page at Wamucii wa Kinyari Favored, while this old one is still under very serious restrictions. I keep asking myself about these Facebook community standards because the things we see and read on these streets, yet those pages are still there. Anywho, if you don't find me around here on Facebook, this is the fourth page that they are unpublishing. Kindly check me on YouTube at Wamucii wa Kinyari Official. And then she shared screenshots of how she was notified that her page has been unpublished. Akiro, hi Mary, unfortunately your page Wamucii wa Kinyari Favored has been unpublished because it violates the Facebook page's terms. This means that you can still see the page, but other people won't be able to see it, and you won't be able to add new people to help you work on your page. If you think this is a mistake, please let us know. Thanks, the Facebook team. And another notification that read, page has been unpublished. Wamucii wa Kinyari ndanamenya hasa gĩtũmi gĩa page ĩyo kũhingwo, but sadly it is no longer visible to any of her fans or followers. Rĩu kwa ndagĩka ĩno arahũthĩra page ĩrĩa yake ya mbere, of which onayo ĩrĩ under very serious restrictions, ũndũ atĩ she cannot freely post anything, na nĩkĩo arahingũrĩte ĩno ya Wamucii wa Kinyari Favored, but sadly onayo rĩu nĩ ĩhingĩtwo. But all is not lost tondũ she has her YouTube channel, and if at all tũmwage biũ Facebook, we can still find her on YouTube at Wamucii wa Kinyari Official.